Petit pot de crème. I promise it's easier to eat it than saying it. Welcome back everyone on Frenchy Cooks, the channel. Today we're doing a dish that was actually invented in the 17th century back in France. It's been done for a long time. We used to use it to fill up pies, but one day, maybe the first gluten allergic person in the world, I don't know, was like, no, we're gonna put them in a pot and eat them in those little jars. They are super cute and so delicious. I had so many as a kid, and you can still see it. Two things remain to be done: for us to get cooking and for you to subscribe. Let's go. Alright, so this is a super easy recipe. We're gonna start by grabbing a saucepan and we're gonna place the cream as well as our 3.25 milk. We're gonna add the vanilla and we're gonna place that on the heat. What I'm trying to do is just to warm it up while I'm actually working on the rest of the mix. And then for that, we're gonna start by separating the whites to the yolk, and then we're gonna place those yolk into a bowl. And I'm gonna add my sugar as well as the salt. Salt is very important. It always kind of like brings out the flavors. We're gonna give that some whiskey business, and we're gonna add that mixture into our cream milk that's been now nice and warm. And we're gonna whisk that. Then we're gonna switch from the whisk to the spatula, and we're gonna cook it until you're able to draw a line, and basically the top part of the cream isn't going to fall down. Next, I'm going to pour the mixture over my chocolate with the blender, and we're gonna start pulsing it if you wish. If you don't have such a thing as a Vitamix, you can also probably do it into a Robocube or a NutriBullet of, anything of that sort. Next, I'm gonna grab my little jars and I'm gonna fill them almost all the way to the top because we still have to do a chantilly, which will pipe on top of the chocolate, which will fill the jars. Alright, now we have to be patient. We're gonna place the pot de crème in the fridge to set for 2 hours. I'll see you soon. 2 hours later. Alright, so now that our little guys have set for 2 hours, we're gonna start working on the chantilly. In the bowl, I'm going to place my sugar, my vanilla, as well as some cream, and we're gonna whisk that until we obtain something quite firm and that will hold on to the whisk. I will then transfer my whipped cream from the bowl to a piping bag, which I've set with a star tip. You can choose really any tip you want, it's really up to you. Then I will simply pipe it on top of my jar, not over, but just at the limit so we can actually close them when we want to put them in the fridge. Well, how easy were those little pots de crème? They are so delicious and so easy to do, and they don't really take that long. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe. The recipe in the description below. As always, I'm going to try them so you know what's next. I will see you on our next video.